Happy Sunday everybody, I hope you are well. Me and Ben had a really chilled out morning this morning, and then we set off out around about maybe 12 o'clock. I went to go clean up my grandma's shop. Super quick, my grandma is retiring soon, so her shop is, it's lots of things are moving out. Her shop has been there longer than I've been born. Yeah, then me and Ben went shopping. We popped into a factory to get a balloon, which you'll see later on in this video anyway why I got a balloon. Like Home Bargains, B&M, Pound Stretcher, Iceland. We just did like few little shops, and then we went to go buy a new bed and a mattress at a local discount store. So, and I always see them on Facebook, and I was like, you know what, let's just pop in. And yeah, so if anyone's got like a local furniture shop which is like discounted or like ex-catalogue items, definitely going, because it's so much cheaper. Me and Ben popped into Dreams the other day because we knew we wanted a new bed and a mattress. We were coming out maybe for a new bed and a new mattress around about £700 to £800. We popped into like Dreams, Benson for Beds, Carpet Right, and then we just thought, let's go to this ex-catalogue place. It's like a discounted place, and we got a brand new mattress for 400 quid. Can't go wrong. It's a memory foam mattress as well, and it's an orthopedic one, which is really good for my back, because if anyone knows, I have really bad back problems due to my accident. So, and it's still all ongoing, unfortunately, after 3.5 years. Yay! I've currently got a hot water bottle here because, you know, females time of the month, which is crappy. So Ben was really cute and went to go get some HariBo last night for me. I went to go get in the shower and I came out and there were like 2 bags of HariBo on the coffee table, and I was like crying, emotional. Yeah, so I'm going to bring you along today. I never really film on Sundays, but today is a really special day. Well, actually it's tomorrow, but we're celebrating today. So tomorrow is the 19th of August, and it would be 9 years ago tomorrow that my granddad passed away. So we always have a cider, we get sunflowers, it's all for my granddad. So I've done like his favourite flower was sunflowers, so I'm going to buy my mum some sunflowers, maybe myself some sunflowers. So I'm wearing bright, colourful, done my eyes like a sunflower. That was like my inspiration. So yeah, we are going to celebrate, and that's why I got a balloon, because we're going to write a little note and send it off to him. So yes, I'm going to bring you along to that because we are setting off in 15 minutes. So. Like 9:15 in the morning. My car is going in for a service, so I'm just on the way to go drop it off. I've literally just got a text from my sister saying that her and my mum are already there now because they're picking me up, because then after we're going to go look at a little venue for something very exciting. Yeah, we're a bit like...
It's not a corkscrew.
It's not a cork. It's like, look at, feel that.
It's wax.
It's really weird. Oh my god.
That's nice.
That's so good. It don't even taste like gin, it tastes just like...
Juice.
Yeah. Hey, it is currently Saturday evening, like what time? 10:05 in the evening, and I'm just finishing the vlog. I'm just going to take my phone with me to see if Ben messages me because I've just dropped him off at work. I'm just about to go get in the shower. because it's been such just a long day really. So just an update, me and Ben are moving. Of a move, it is crazy. So we have got this, what needs to go into bins and tip. We've got the second bedroom, which is just absolutely clothes galore. It is, I've already got rid of bags, and bags are going to charity. We've got all this, we've got all of this. It is giving me major anxiety, I'm not gonna lie. So yes, this is this stitch, and then obviously we've got the bathroom, which is not too bad to like pack. It's just got cleaning products in there, and we're trying to use as much as like the shampoos and conditioner and everything. We have got, I've just locked up everything down here, but I just realised that I haven't finished this vlog. So we've got some more stuff to go to the tip. We've got chairs what need to go to the tip. It is currently super dark. We've got these to go to the tip. These are Ben's old computer chairs. We've got a dog, it's actually a dog bed, but the cats used it. And then this is what I did yesterday, which literally, well, it was just me. Sorry, Ben. But it's because I'm in like a routine of like, Ben, leave me alone, let me do it. End of, just let me do it, so then I know where things are. So I have got this because it's all from in the kitchen. Yeah, so that's the process of the move. I'm going for a shower now. He's messaged me saying he's gonna have to stop texting me because he's at work and he's working with big bosses tonight, so he's like, can I message you? And I'm like, okay. So I need to go to sleep anyway, I'm so tired. And obviously I'm up at 5:30 to go get him. Look at these little legs, look at him. Blossom. 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 Ah, you know that noise, don't you? Good girl, Tinkerbell. Look